Modeling for manufacture is a critical part of the production process, requiring focused CAD tools to import and repair data, modify parts to make them manufacturable, or create accurate stock, fixtures and work holding models to be used in the CAM environment. To help with this, subscribers of Autodesk CAM products have access to Fusion 360, a cloud-based design, engineering and manufacturing platform which combines industrial design, mechanical engineering and machine tool programming into a single software solution. The process begins with data import. Manufacturing service providers often receive CAD data from their customers which is not in the native format of their existing CAD system. Importing data from third-party CAD systems, even in neutral formats, can still be prone to errors when translated. Fortunately, Fusion 360 has AnyCAD. AnyCAD lets you collaborate and manage CAD data with anyone, regardless of the CAD software they use, removing the need to translate their data while still maintaining a link to the original CAD file. Once imported, Fusion 360 can be used to fix any issues discovered in the data, allowing model repairs to be quickly made by CAM programmers at any point in the process where it is needed, saving the time traditionally needed to pass data backwards and forwards to CAD departments or customers. Fusion 360 can be used to produce near-net shapes, such as castings and forgings. These can be based on the original model, with any necessary details removed and machining allowances added, ready for manufacture. Both the original model and the modelled stock can then be sent to be programmed, in this case to part maker to be machined on a multi-turret, multi-spindle turn mill centre. For work holding, fixture models can be imported from your existing libraries, or alternatively, rapidly built using Fusion 360's user-friendly CAD and assembly modelling tools. These fixtures can then be used to represent the real setup on the machine in the digital environment, crucial when performing machine simulation accurately. And Fusion 360 can also be used for adding additional elements to control machining operations, such as hole capping or the reference surfaces used for surface projection machining in PowerMill. So whether you use PowerMill, PartMaker, or FeatureCAM, your subscription's access to Fusion 360 can save you time on training and data transfer and reduce the expenditure for the CAD you require, making it your perfect modelling for manufacture companion.